बरें ते सांगतात तुमकां जॉईन जावंक तुमकां कसलो फायदो जावपाचो आहा म्हणून
सर आमची
म्हणटात
सर आमची सगळी झगडी जातली भितर कित्याक आतां एकाच जाग्यार भितर एअरपोर्ट आसता 350 गाडी येल्लो ब्लॅक आहा त्या भायर ट्युरिस्ट व्हेकल आहा आमची आनी झगडी जातली आतां म्हणजे गाडी सोडचेच ना 3 दीस थोड्योच गाडयो ते ऍप डावनलोड करता कस्टमर देंवता
15-20 गाडी आमकां
सर फॉर एग्जांपल हांव आतां एअरपोर्ट रावपाक गेला नेट टू तेंच्यान पिकअप मेळटा मागीर ते कितें करता
गोवा ही ल्हान सिटी बॉम्बे दिल्ली हे चलता सर ओला उबेर ती सायडीक चलता
व्हडली स्क्रीन जाल्यार गोवा मायल्स रेटूच लायला व्हडली टीव्हीत बसयला व्हडली
Now they had come to meet me to give a representation, and they are having a meeting on 10th at the Taligaon Community Hall to fight for their cause. I think Mr. Michael Lobo has been spearheading this movement, and he has given them good support and backing. I appreciate Mr. Michael Lobo for standing by them. And same thing, I have appealed to these people that they should stand also behind Michael, because they should not. Everyone should basically speak in one voice. They
are demanded to stop the Goa mines. How you will take it?
See, I feel what on as I said earlier, Michael Lobo has started the initiative. As far as, and he has met the Chief Minister, he has had a meeting with the Chief Minister and all the stakeholders. I will basically support Michael Lobo on this thing. And as I said, we will meet Michael Lobo and we will form a strategy basically how to carry forward.
सांगितलें की आमचे ते गोवा मायल्स आहा पळय गोवा मायल्सा खातीर आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार आतां आमकां मिटर चालू करपाक सोदता आमी मिटर चालू करपाक आमी रेडी आहा म्हळ्यार एज पर रूल आमकां तो गॅजेटीचेर आहा पळय न्हू ते गॅजेटीचे रेटी प्रमाणे जर दीत जाल्यार आमी मिटर चालू करूंक सोदता आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार मिटर चालू केले जाल्यार गोवा मायल्स बंद जावपाक हे सांगपाक आमी बाबूश मुनसराजा कडेन येयल्ले की पणजेचो आमदार